So first and foremost, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, right? And let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So let's get into it. So first and foremost, you need to have someone's link in order to get access. I know a lot of you don't really know where to get a link and stuff like that. So I went ahead, and got access so that I can show you guys really the ins and outs and what's really happening behind the scenes, okay? Um so this is pretty much eyes through my portal, right? So the fact that you have to use someone's link to get started is crazy. So what they really are doing with that is that you're able to pretty much be compensated for sharing the information with another individual. So it's like, T-Mobile has refer a friend, make $50. Chase says like refer someone, you can make 50, 200, whatever the thing is. I know my bank used to tell me, if I got a new person to bank there, they'll pay me up to $200. That's it. Like if I brought more people, they weren't going to really pay me any more than that. But I am Mastery Academy, right? Is basically saying, you can bring as many people as you want to utilize this platform, and we're going to keep paying you, right? And this is basically called a referral program. And so that's insane. Like, why would you want to be a part of a referral program to make money? Like, that just doesn't make sense to me at all. Like, mind blowing, right? The fact that you can make money off of this is insane. However, no one is shy about the fact that you can make money from sharing the information. Companies like McDonald's doesn't pay us for every time we tell someone to go try out their new product. Popeye sure as hell didn't pay me for sharing my information about their new nuggets. However, I didn't really like the nuggets, but that's more or less, right? I know Burger King didn't pay me every time I shared how great that Impossible Burger was, because it really took me 20 minutes after to realize I was not eating meat. Like, it tasted like a real Whopper, right? And they're still not paying me for that. Hopefully soon enough they will pay me for that ad. But this company is saying they'll pay me if I, share this information with someone, and they get access to this platform. So I guess it's kind of cool, right? Depending how you look at it. But moving on along, they have all of these packages here, right? And I just picked this package because I realized that this probably was like one of the big packages, and it comes with 3 of the packages we see here, and all these products. And then at the bottom, it actually tells you your total. Okay, so it seems like they're not really shying away from what you're paying for, and they're showing you how much you're saving by picking that elite package, and then your totals there. And they're letting you know right here, recurring subscription after first 28 days. Awesome, right? $274.95. So there's a monthly recurring payment if you want access. Now let's see how good this access really is, because why would I want to pay every month if the access is not good? Like, come on. But I did not select this one right now, so I'm going to show you what it's like when you have a smaller package like this one, right? So essentially, you're paying $174 for this package that I'm going to show you right now, and if you have the elite, you'll get all those products, and you'll be paying almost an extra, 100 on top. So the fact that you're getting a lot more stuff, it looks good, like, from just here, but let's really dive in and kind of see, right? Even with just this, like, right, what are you really getting out of it? Per se. Okay, so let's continue, right? So that's that piece, right? So this is us just getting started, and then you would kind of have to hit continue, right? So you would kind of hit continue. You would have to agree who you're enrolling with. Let's see, make your username. Okay, so I can't really show you over here or whatever the case is, but the crazy thing is, so once you select your package and you move forward, right, we're going to go with the basic, because I think most people are going to be like, I don't really want to pay monthly, whatever the case is. So let's just kind of see what they have. But the crazy thing is they actually give you an opportunity to make your money back. You have like 7 days to test it out and get your full money back. So, I don't know about you, but I've never met a scammer who gave me the opportunity to get my money back, even if it was within an hour, even 5 minutes of realizing that it's a scam. So it's like, okay, I guess maybe that's the scam, to make you feel like it's legit. That has to be it. The scam is to make you feel like this is legit. We on to something now. Okay, so all right, cool. We see all the packages, right? We know there's a recurring fee. They're letting us know it's every 28 days. They're giving us 7 days back. I mean, option to have to make all our money back, to cancel and to get your money back in 7 days. Okay. Now let's go and let's see the product, right? So this is the product that actually comes with that basic package. This is known as the harmonic scanner. So what they're telling us is that the harmonic scanner scans the market, gives you trade setup. You can literally copy and paste. So they're like, this is the entry, this is the take profit. So this is where, take profit, which stands for TP, where you want the market to go so you can make your money. And then this is the stop, right? So in trading, you're putting your stop loss and you're saying if you're losing this amount of money, you don't want to lose any more, it'll take you out the trade. So they're telling you this is like copy and paste, right? So if it seems like you have to type this in, so I guess with this specific one, it's not it. I did see one actually on the session that I was on where you were able to copy and get text notifications on, so I will vouch for them for that, right? So they do have copy and paste systems, but if you get just this basic FRX package, right, then this is basically all you get. So let's see how good this is at just the basic level. So you have your entry here, your take profit, and stuff like that. So remember, in trading, each move is worth a certain amount. So if you can do 10 cents at minimum, and then you can go up to $1, $5, $10, whatever, right? But it's all based off of your trading account. So let's just stick to $1 a move, just to make it very easy for us to calculate and stuff like that. And the average person is potentially, investing enough to want to do bigger moves. So let's do from entry to like where the market's at, right? How much we technically would have got. So right now that's reading 33. So we would have made $33 off of this right now. So that's $33 of our 235 that we started with, right? So let's just look at some setups. Now remember, we have access for 28 days. So let me pull up this calculator here and let's do some math. We would have made $33 off of this trade that still has not finished yet, right? Because take profit 3 is the last take profit you have for it to hit your take profit, like for you to make money. So let's go to our next one. This one doesn't look like it started yet. It hasn't really activated, but let's see what they're saying we can make, okay? Nothing's 100%, so we're going to see what this has, where it's already gone. We're just going to do based off what it's already gone. So this one is saying we could make 380 moves. So $1 a move, they're saying you can make $380. So that would be really cool to come back and check at some point, or a trade I should put in, and I'll let you guys know if it made me money. So let's go down the list, right? So this setup here, they have like a bunch of different brokers. So they have a lot of different setups, different time frames, as you can see, right? We're on the 30-minute. They have 15, 1 hour, 4 hour, and day. So this sounds like ample trades that you can get. And they say that they put out trades all throughout the week, and stuff like that. And so this trade, let's see, I actually just put in this trade and I'm already in profit. So this trade is already about $11 in $12 in profit from where it moved. And it's supposed to go about a good $43, a dollar a move pretty much. So let's see how that plays out. Actually, it might actually be more than that because gold calculates very differently. So let's stick with like at least the regular ones just to keep on. So far we have $33. Right, we have $33. This one already is almost to our take profit 3. So let's go from our entry to where the market currently is at, and that's 51 moves right now. So there we go, right? And this is all trades that were pretty much put out today. So in one day, right, we have $33 plus $51. So look at that, we have $84 already. So that's 84 of the 235 that we just paid $1 a move. So let's keep going down. Right, this looks like it was put out today as well. So let's see, right? The market is stopped right here. That's 29 moves, so that's $29. So let's add $29 to that. 113. We're at $113 of profit. This one actually all came down to its take profit. That's awesome. let's see, 39 moves. That's $39 right there. Let's add that up. We're at $152. We're almost at that monthly subscription. So you know, we could almost pay for our monthly subscription right away. This is a little crazy. I don't know what type of scam helps me make money, but I'm liking this scam. Okay, 64 moves right here. This one already reached its take profit 3, so that's amazing, right? This like played out really, really well. So right now we're at 216. We made our money for the next month. And it's only day 1, right? Today would be our day 1 of taking trades based off of, you know, of what we're seeing from today. And we haven't even gone through all the other time frames. We're only on the 30-minute, which is that M30 you see highlighted there. And then we didn't even go through all the other brokers yet. So this is 44 moves to the take profit, and the market actually went higher. So I wonder if they have a way for you to stay longer in the trade so you can make more, but who cares, right? We made our $44 from this trade. So let's put that $44. We're at 260, right? We paid 235. We paid 235. And so we actually made our investment back. And if you're not worried about making your investment back from what you paid and you're just ready to make your next month, we actually made that. So this is great because we just made that in one day, off of the setups that we're seeing from where the market already has went, meaning you would have closed out and secured your wins, or you know, you even the ones that didn't hit take profit 3, you could have closed out early and secured your money. Because I think that's the kind of cool thing I know about trading, right? You can close whenever you want. You don't have to wait for it to reach these markers. And that is so cool. So like, let's look at some other ones, right? So what I've learned is at the top you have all your new setups, at the bottom are all your old setups. So if we look at some old setups, you know, they clear out as the week goes, as the days go. So let's see what this did. So this kind of went the other way, but your stop loss, you know, would have stopped you out. But we also don't see the triangle, so this might have been there for a minute. Let's see. Oh, this one played out really well. So these are some other setups that we could have won had we, you know, been around to take these trades at that time. This went 251 moves, $1 a move. You definitely made your investment back. So we made our investment back if we had taken that trade, and then, you know, depending when you started, and then just the trades we put together, we made the money for the next month. So if you're able to utilize the scanner and basically just put in your entry, your stop loss, your take profit, and just let it do its thing and literally just enter the coordinates here, you can make your money back. And that's crazy. I don't know what type of scam helps you make more than what you invested, because now it's starting to sound like an investment and not a scam. I don't know. I'm a little confused. But let's check out some other stuff, okay? So what they also have here, let's see. Okay, so they have, so let's check out some other stuff. What they also have here is, okay, so let's check out some other stuff. So what they also have here is like an area where you can watch videos, right? These videos are broken down basic to advanced, teaching you everything you know to be able to, you know, have the proper knowledge to trade and to be profitable, which is crazy. And it comes in a bunch of different languages. I'm seeing English, Spanish, German, Portuguese, French, Mandarin, Polish, right? And then they have the other academies here as well. So right now we're just focusing on that basic package of the platinum. So let's take a look here, right? If we click this, you have videos on videos breaking down everything that you need to know. This is crazy. And you know, the videos, I did go through them. The videos are not long, they're short, they're very informative, and they're super helpful. And so the other great thing too, they have like this pip talk area where they have, you know, each educator, right? That's the other crazy thing. This platform has educators. This scam of a platform has educators, and these educators go live, which we're about to look at real quick. And they not only have like live streaming sessions, they have a chat area where you can like view their updates and conversation, which happens here in this section. So it's kind of really like office hours, I'd like to think about it. And then here you can choose your language, which is super cool, right? Because you can trade anywhere in the world as long as you have Wi-Fi access, a device to trade on, some other things, right? But that's mainly it: Wi-Fi access, a device to trade on. And so the fact that you can watch these live streams in different languages aside from English is phenomenal. They're showing you like their top 5 educators for the week. And this is really cool. Like, this is a lot of views. I mean, 18,000, 22,000, 10,000 people viewing these individuals at one time. That is insane, right? So they must be doing something right, because I don't know people who are going to view this amount of people continuously, because I've noticed that those numbers are high on a daily day basis, and I've seen them even higher than that. So I don't know what scam will allow people to want to continue to pay and to show up on these sessions. And then on top of that, they have this TV guide, right? For those of you who don't know what a TV guide is, it lets you know who's on at what time, okay? And so they have their list of educators. They have over 100, if I'm not mistaken, right? People are on Sunday through Saturday, as you can see. I think that's kind of cool that they show you the level of, if it's basic, advanced, there's a live analysis happening. Wow, 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 wow. That's amazing. Or if they do a live analysis, so that way you kind of know what you're looking at. You could even search it by basic, advanced, and live analysis. This is cool because you can just come on and say, ooh, I want to watch this educator, right? I want to see what they're doing. So, like, let's click on the first one. His name is Manny, right? Let's click on the first one and let's kind of see what happens here. So he ended 11 hours ago. So this is his live session from before. Sorry, guys. Internet's been crazy lately. Let's go back. What's going on? Okay. Well, today's the 13th, so we could just click this, I'm assuming, and watch the live viewing. Okay, so this was live at one point, right? This was live, and it's yesterday as and that's really cool, because what's happening on these sessions is he's explaining different things about the market and what to look for. I think that's super, super dope, right? They're giving you all the information that you need on these live sessions, and they also allow you to ask questions. I thought that was really cool. Like, if you had a question, you would just type it here and they'd show up on the live session, and they can actually answer and speak to you, which they have done time and time again. And I've experienced for myself once I was able to get access and to test it out. So if we're going back, right, that basic package that we were looking at gave us those access to those videos, basic to advanced, teaching you everything you need to know, gave us access to the scanner. And the scanner, we just basically would copy in the numbers, and we saw from setups that hit those markers of what we can make, and we would have made back our investment already using that. And then we have access to these live educators. So they say, like, normally if there's someone live, they'll appear here on the left side. And so these are some individuals that are live. Let's see. Okay, cool. So this is a live session right now, right? So right now it's showing DVR, so that means there's a small lag. But once it's on live, we should be seeing it read live. But all of these educators right now are currently live. So that's 4 educators that you can kind of tap into. Clearly, depending on your package, it's going to give you your level of access. We did see the guy have HFX, and that's a different style of trading. But this is a lot of access, and I'm seeing people are typing in Spanish. I wonder if this is a Spanish session. So that's really cool that they're even catering to people in another market, right? So this is really, really cool. For my internet's been kind of weird, so I'm assuming that's part of the lag. But when you're on a live session, you will see it saying live here on the side. So if you ask me and we go back to this package, and it's letting us know on the basic package, we get the Academy, the Go Live, and the Harmonics. The Go Live had so many educators on that list. We even see some that are live now. They give you setups, analysis, basic to advanced, live analysis, which means that they're probably giving you, helping you understand ideas of what you can take, which is really good when you think about it, because trading can be super hard, especially on your own. You know, I remember a time when I was trying to learn by myself, and it seems like they make it super easy. I mean, the scanner alone, the fact that we're able to make our money back, these numbers are starting to sound like a deal or a sale more than a scam. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And I currently have access, so if you want access, I can give you my link to get started. So let me know what you think. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video.